children.
Hello, dear explorers in the Knowledge Park. Have you ever wondered what is hidden inside a computer? It is not just one magical box, but a whole team of special parts that must work together perfectly. And what is most interesting, you can put together such a team yourself, piece by piece. I invite everyone to join me on an adventure where we discover how to build our own computer. In the stone corner, I met the sparrow and the cat, who had very original ideas about building a computer. The sparrow was convinced it was like building a nest. He said you need to collect as many shiny wires as possible, put them in an empty box, and place a big warm stone in the middle to keep everything warm. The cat, on the other hand, thought it was more like making a cozy bed. He explained that you just need to find a comfortable box, line it with soft little cables, and then put a flat board on top to sleep and purr on. I smiled when I heard their ideas and explained that building a computer is a precise job, where every single part has its own place and task, not just putting random things in a box. On the walking path, I met the bee and the parrot. The bee told me that once her hive was building a new nest. First, they had to make a strong base out of wax, and then they carefully added more cells for honey and pollen, making sure everything fit together perfectly and worked well as a whole. The parrot added that she once helped build a big bird aviary. She explained that first they put together the main frame, then attached the netting, and finally placed the water and food bowls in the right spots, connecting them with tubes so everything worked as it should. I summed up their stories by saying that building a computer is very similar. It needs a solid base, careful assembly of each part, and making sure everything is connected the right way. In the flower meadow, I met the guinea pig and the ladybug. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about building a computer. The guinea pig explained that the heart of the computer is the processor, which is like its brain, and it is placed on the main board, which is like the skeleton of the whole device. The ladybug added that you also connect memory to the main board, which is used to store information for a short time, and a disk, where everything is saved for good. At the end, everything is closed in a case and connected to a power supply, which gives energy to make it work. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that building a computer is a logical process of joining key parts, each of which has an important role. Curious seekers, today we learned what building a computer is all about. We understood that it is like putting together a complicated puzzle where every piece has its place and meaning, from the brain, which is the processor, to the skeleton, which is the main board. It is a wonderful lesson in precision and logical thinking. I hope this knowledge will encourage everyone to keep discovering the world of technology. See you on the next adventures in the Knowledge Park.